Rivers State High Court on 10th May 2024 don't stop 25 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly led by Honorable Martin Chike Amayewule from parading themselves as members of the State House of Assembly. Justice Wale of the State High Court for one ex parte order issued on May 10, 2024 also stopped them from sitting in the Assembly auditorium. The Speaker of the State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Victor Okojumbo, Honorable Sukari Goodboy Sukari, and Honorable Adolphus Timothy dragged the 25 lawmakers go court to get order wey go stop them from parading themselves as lawmakers of the State Assembly. After listening to the ex parte motion moved by Sami A. Simali San, Justice Wale come hold an order of interim injunction. I quote, "An order of interim injunction is granted restraining the 1st to 25th defendants from parading and holding out themselves as members of Rivers State House of Assembly and or meeting or sitting at the auditorium of the House of Assembly quarters located at off Aba Road, Port Harcourt or any other place whatsoever to purport to carry out the legislative business of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Their legislative seats have been declared vacant pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. An order of interim injunction is hereby made, restraining the 26th to 28th defendant from dealing with, interfacing, accepting any resolutions, bids, and or howsoever interacting with the 1st to 25th defendant in their purported capacities as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Their legislative seats have been declared vacant with effect from 13th December 2023, pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. It is further ordered that this order, the motion on notice, and the writ and order processes in this case be served to the 1st to 25th defendant and respondent within 7 days from the date by the substituted means, to writ, by pasting at the entrance gates of the Rivers State House of Assembly legislative quarters off Aba Road, Port Harcourt, and for such services to be deemed good and proper. That the case is adjourned to the 29th of May 2024 for motion on notice. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.